Right, we have this word problem in front of us, and we want to solve this particular word problem step by step. And so we shall proceed to present a solution to this particular problem. The sum of the ages of Jaya and Nadia is 3 times Nadia's age. 7 years ago, Jaya was 3 less than 4 times as old as Nadia. How old are they now? We present a solution to this particular problem, but in a step-by-step fashion as follows. Right, so we first let. Right, we let X be equal to Jaya's age. Y be equal to Nadia's age. Right, we proceed to then say the sum of the ages of Jaya and Nadia is 3 times Nadia's age. So we shall find the sum like this, which is 3 times Nadia's age, like so. Next. 7 years ago, Jaya was 3 less than 4 times as old as Nadia. So we're going back 7 years. So going back 7 years, we also go take Nadia's age 7 years back. And if we do that, we're saying 7 years ago, Jaya was 3 less than 4 times Nadia's age. So when you compare with 4 times Nadia's age, Jaya was 3 less. So if Jaya was 3 less, it means therefore that Nadia was 3 more. So to equate them, we need to subtract a 3 here, like so. And with this then mentioned, we therefore have the following equations. From this particular equation, but first let us just simplify this equation. So with x minus 7 is equal to 4 into y minus 7 minus 3. And this is x minus 7 equals 4y minus 28 minus 3. Which means x is equal to what? Is equal to 4y minus 24. Right, so we have x equal to 4y minus 24. And we also have this particular one, x plus y equals 3y. X plus y equals 3y. And this here implies that. Right, so it implies that x is equal to 3y minus y is 2y. So we call this one the first equation. We can call this one, let's call this one the first equation. Let's call this one the second equation, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter. Okay, right. Next, we realize that x is 2y here. But also we can see that x is 4y minus 24. We realize that equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So we can say substitute equation 2 into 1. Right, so put 2 into 1. So that in the place of x, we put 2y. 2y equals 4y minus 24. So now at this point, you have 2y minus 4y, which is minus 2y equals minus 24. Minus 2y divide by minus 2, minus 24, you divide by minus 2, which means y is 12. Okay, we got y equals 12. Now, if y equals 12, then we need to obtain x. We can use any of the equations, either 1 or 2. Let us use equation 2. So using equation 2, which is x equals 2y. Right, so using equation 2, which states that x equals 2y, we have already got that y equals 12. So we perform substitution here so that x equals 24. Okay. So hence, we have that x is 24 and y equals 12. Right. Now with this said, thus Jaya is 24 years, 24 years old. And Nadia is 12 years old. Okay. Right. This is what we got. But let us check this. And this is the answer. This is the solution to the problem. But let us proceed to check. Let's check if this is true, this. Because we know that according to the question, the sum of their ages, 24 plus 12 is equal to, the sum of their ages is equal to 3 times Nadia's age. Let's check if this is true. Right, so 24 plus 12 is 36, and 3 by 12 is 36. So indeed, it is true that the sum of their ages is 3 times Nadia's age. But there's something more about this question. Right, the next, the other equation. The other equation that says 7 years ago, right, we go to the equation that says that x must be 4y minus 24. Recall this one. This was our equation 2, so just substituting because we remember that our x, which is Jaya's age, is 24 and our y is 12. Our x is 24 and our y is 12. Right, so we have this. Right, we have this. So this is 24. So here you have 24 is equal to, what is 4 by 12? 4 times 12. 4 times 12 is 48 minus 24. And this is 24 equals 24. Well, it confirms that the solutions we got satisfy equation 2, but also the solutions satisfy the first equation, because the first equation was the sum of their ages is 3 times Nadia's age, and Nadia's age is y. And obviously we saw therefore that if you put x is 24 here, y is 12 here, it is 3 times 12 there, and this was true. So the first equation is satisfied, but also the second equation is satisfied. And therefore we have solved this problem in detail, and we are done solving this problem. Thanks everybody for being part of us, and we are through with the solution, and goodbye to you.